Hey guys, this video I'm going to take you to Canva AI. Its different features. As you can see, you can easily generate a blog post using Canva AI. So let's get started. So to access Canva AI, which is now in version 2.0 from your dashboard in Canva. So I'll put a link to sign up or for Canva if you don't have yet an account. So Canva AI. So once you click on Canva AI, you'll be taken to this page. You have the options to actually create a new design from scratch. You can see on the left all the chats that you have. So if you're new to Canva AI, you'll have no history on the left. So when you create a design, basically you'll have to choose the format. So instead of putting in templates, selecting templates from Canvas library, the AI will now try to generate your design. So that's for design. You can create an image. So they have this like dream lab where you can see your creations. You can choose between different qualities. So you have a specific number of credits per month that you can actually use for this different generations, especially for image and video. Then all you have to do is specify the ratio or the size and then the style. So basically they have pre-built styles in here which you can also choose as well. And then also you can create a doc. So document, there are different document types. You can write a blog post, a summary, a social post, etc. So basically you can use Canvas AI to compose an email, a letter, an itinerary, basically for work or for travel. And then lastly, you can use Canvas AI to actually generate a code. So like I've done this before. I'll put a link right here in the video so you can check it out, how I built a interactive form on RSVP form using Canvas AI. So you can actually have quizzes, an interactive certificate, etc. Just built using Canva AI. And of course, you can create video clips, same with images. The quality, there's like 3 levels. Ultra is the highest. There's like different styles as well, similar to images. Aspect ratio is only 2. You can generate or add audio. Then the framing, you can generate it. So I think this is just a few seconds of video. Once you generate it, you have the lighting as well. So you can control the lighting for your video clip. Okay, so let me quickly go to Dreamlab just to show you the different style of the image. So these were actually generated in the previous version. Basically it's very experimental during that time. Probably it was 1.0. So you'll have to remember that you're chatting with AI. So things to remember, like you'll have to give it the proper context, like describing the image in mind. So you can actually use other tools like ChatGPT to actually help you out with your prompt, so that once you generate it, it would be high quality. So there's different styles in here, like sketch in black and white. So the end result would actually be based on the prompt that you are doing. So in this particular tutorial, we'll try to create an actual blog post. So creating your document, just choose a blog post, and then you'll have to prompt it here. So this is actually the sample blog article that I created. So let me just try to browse this. So I didn't give it an exact prompt. So basically I attached some pictures on it, and basically it added different sections in here for the blog post. So basically I highlighted that Movenpick is a place where you can do your proposals in Thailand. So basically it just put in here those different information that it already has for the particular resort. So let's quickly just try to do a new chat. Okay, so basically you might want to have a 1,500 word blog post about Thailand. So basically I will use ChatGPT for like the chapters. Please have the following sections for this blog review. Resort as follows. So it is, let's say, journey. Oops. The first impressions, the room tour, the picnic experience, breakfast and dining. So basically, these are all the suggestions from ChatGPT. I'll create also a mini course for ChatGPT in the next video. Yeah. Okay. So exploring like this. Okay. Okay, so basically you must be as detailed as possible when you're trying to chat with AI, so that it will return the exact results that you need. So once you click on submit, it will try to create this. Okay, so while it's getting ready, I'll pause this video for a bit. Okay, so basically it took a few minutes or two. So this is actually the output of Canva AI for a blog post. I think it's pretty much decent. There could be a few edits in here. So if you watch my previous video on exposure.co, I'm actually going to use this blog post and actually do it right over here. Okay, I think it's pretty reasonable. So with Canva AI to create your docs, you can create actually different kinds of documents. So like it's a full document editing experience on your browser. So basically you can just type in like your Word, so you can import designs as well as do additional magic writes in here, as well as a checklist, those different formats. So basically it's like Word or Google Docs. So the main advantage is actually you can create or embed different kinds of like dates, drop down a pie chart easily here. You can even create polls, buttons, so, and then you can share this as a, so if you're on a Teams plan, you can actually publish it as a brand template. So you can actually publish this as an actual website or a landing page as well. So that's actually is Canva AI. So there's like different things that you can do here. I have to also check the credits. You won't easily see it in your account, but there's like, I think for videos there's like 5 credits only per month if you're on pro or a team plan. So depending on your allocation or the types of quality of the images or the video, you would be using up your credits inside Canva. But I think for doc there's a pretty generous amount of credits, so you can create an almost unlimited number of documents per month using Canva AI. With design, I've actually tried this, but it's not as good as it is right now. So might be best to actually just support our fellow creators with the templates here inside Canva. With code, if you viewed my previous video, there's basically a website that you can view, like for example here an RSVP form. So instead of using like Microsoft Forms or Google Forms, you can do it inside Canva with these customizations and animations as well. Okay, So that basically is it for this short course on Canva AI for docs. And I hope you like this video and see you in the next one.